Why you can't form an LLC in Canada. It is a common misconception among new entrepreneurs that the popular American Limited Liability Company, LLC, structure is available globally. While many seek the specific pass-through tax benefits and simplified management of a US LLC, this entity type simply does not exist under Canadian law. The primary reason you cannot form an LLC in Canada is that Canadian business law does not recognize it as a domestic legal entity. In the United States, an LLC is created under state statutes, but Canada's federal and provincial governments have never enacted similar legislation. Instead, the Canadian legal system offers three approaches: sole proprietorships, partnerships, and corporations. While these structures provide various levels of protection and tax treatment, none of them perfectly mirror the unique hybrid nature of the American LLC. From a tax perspective, the Canada Revenue Agency views an LLC through a completely different lens than the IRS. In the US, an LLC is typically a pass-through entity, meaning the business itself doesn't pay taxes. Instead, profits flow directly to the owner's personal tax returns. However, the Canada Revenue Agency treats any LLC, even a foreign one, as a corporation. This creates a significant tax mismatch for Canadians. Because the two countries classify the entity differently, owners often face double taxation because they cannot easily apply U.S. taxes paid as a credit against their Canadian tax obligations. Furthermore, the legal framework in Canada is built around the concept of incorporation to achieve limited liability. To protect personal assets, Canadian entrepreneurs must form a corporation, either provincially or federally. While a Canadian corporation provides the same corporate veil protection as an LLC, it comes with more rigorous administrative requirements, such as maintaining corporate minutes, filing annual returns, and adhering to more complex accounting standards. In Canada, you cannot have the simplicity of a partnership combined with the liability protection of a corporation in a single LLC package. Lastly, even for an existing US LLC looking to expand northward, the process is not a simple transfer. A US LLC must register as an extra-provincial entity to do business in Canada. Even then, it remains a foreign entity subject to the complex tax treatments mentioned above. For domestic entrepreneurs, the advice from legal and tax professionals is almost always to stick to Canadian-recognized structures, like a Canadian-controlled private corporation, to avoid the administrative and financial headaches that come with trying to force an LLC-style structure into the Canadian market. To learn more about our law firm's legal practice pertaining to incorporations and corporate law, we welcome you to visit our website or contact our law firm to schedule a confidential consultation. Thank you.